Welcome, dear learners. Welcome again in our module on literature review. In this module, we will be covering the process of literature review. We were discussing the literature review as a foundation of the effective research. We started with the planning and now we will be moving to the search. After completing this module, you will be able to know the complete process of literature review, how to search effectively, organize, compile, analyze, and finally identifying the aim and objectives. In the lesson plan, we will cover these things under the heads: online literature survey, Boolean search, organize and compiling, analyzing the things, identify research gaps, rationale, aims and objectives. Now we will commence with some keys of online search. First and foremost thing is using the proper keywords for entering into the search bar of the databases like Google Scholar, Scopus, etc. It is very important to select a particular keyword. When you put the keywords, you get the results in the form of list of articles, and if you are having the institutional subscription in that database or of that particular journal, you can have the full text of that article, related articles you might have get. Select proper keywords. Try shuffling and changing the keywords. It will improve the effectiveness of your literature review. Try and explore the various filters like research and review, or research only, or review only. These kind of filters and this kind of selection of keywords improve the overall effectiveness and the quality of your literature review. Alternate strategy of searching. Explore searching the publisher or particular journal's website with suitable keywords. Even if you are not having the subscription of that particular journal, at least abstract you will get. Many good journals provide the free full text. Search those journals which are quality journals and which provide the free full text in your field of research. Focus them for collecting and compiling the effective literature review. Now moving to the Boolean search. What is the Boolean search? How it can be used for the literature review? Let us see. Boolean search is a type of search allowing users to combine keywords with operators or modifiers such as and, not, or to further produce more relevant results. Boolean operators form the basis of mathematical sets and database logic. They connect your search words together to either narrow or broaden your set of results. Note that and, not, and or will generally need to be in uppercase, capital letters when used as a search operator. What are these search operators? Codes. Use codes to search an exact phrase. Example, network administrator. Parenthesis. Combine modifiers to create a more complex search. Example, network and within bracket administrator or architect. And include two search terms. Example, network and administrator. So putting and in between two terms include both of them in searching. Or it broadens your search with multiple terms. Example, network administrator or network manager or network provider. You can search like this. The next is not. It is used to exclude a specific term. Example, administrator, not provider, or manager, not administrator. So by this way, you can use the Boolean search. Other common operators include the phrase search. Double quote will search for fuzzy phrases. It will search for both singular and plurals. For example, heart attack will find heart attack and heart attacks both. Curly brackets will search for the specific phrase. For example, heart attack in curly brackets will search only for heart attack. Here comes wildcards. Asterisk. It replaces characters. Tox, asterisk, will search for toxic, toxin, toxicity, etc. However, these are some specific Boolean operators are there which may not be universal. So I am summarizing these 6 common Boolean operators and which limit results, or one term or another, dash or hyphen or not exclude a term from the search, dash site exclude a website from the search, and this sign synonymous of term, quote, exact phrase. Use common and advanced filters. What you can do, that you can use the filters like year, subject, type, review only, review research only, etc. by choosing and applying the filters. Use these advanced filters. For example, Google Scholar is the most widely used database. It does not have much filters, but still useful for many basic literature reviews. What you have to do, you just open the Google Scholar, type a keyword. Let us use the Boolean operator under quote cyclodextrin complex. Information given by Scholar is list of articles with title, author and abstract. You can see in that page a list of articles will be there. Related articles, versions available and link for PDF download is given there. If freely available, these articles can be downloaded in a single key. This much you all know, okay? Let us explore some more things. Can you see the quote sign below each article detail? It is the key to get citation information under quote cite. That too in any of the writing styles you can choose. Citations are given in 5 major styles in Scholar, and it can also be managed using BibTeX, EndNote, RefMan and RefWorks. We will discuss this part in next module in literature management. See the number and details of articles which cited an article. You can apply the filters like time range, from 2009, from 2018, etc. or customize the time range as per your need. Type of article, include patent or citations. By default, these are included, but you can use these filters. Go to advanced search. Use the choice of words, phrases, location of words, author, publisher, etc. Dear learners, let me summarize this section for you. Online literature review saves the time. It's a time-saving method of literature review. We must use Boolean operators and advanced filters. Boolean operators like and, or, not, under quote. These are the operators which we can use, and you should also use the advanced filters. Google Scholar is the most widely used searching platform and allows Boolean operators. So use effectively by proper keywords, by choosing and changing the keywords. In the next section, we will discuss rest of the part of the process of literature review.